Class 10th, Geography, Unit 1. India Position and Extent. Location and Extent of India. We learn about the following in this chapter: location of India in Asia and the world, extent and frontiers of India, neighboring countries of India. Location. Geographically, India is located within both Northern Hemisphere and Eastern Hemisphere. It is a peninsula situated in South Asia. The mainland of India extends from 8 degrees 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude and from 68 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitude. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands extend further southward and add to India's latitudinal extent. The Indira Point, the southernmost point, is located in the Nicobar Island at 6 degrees 45 minutes north latitude. The northern tip of India is Indira Col in Jammu and Kashmir. The Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degrees north, passes through the middle of the country, and 82.5 degrees east longitude is the central meridian of India. The Indian Standard Time (ISD) is based on this longitude. Extent. India is the seventh largest country in the world, after Russia, Canada, China, the USA, Brazil, and Australia. It has a total area of 32,87,263 square kilometers. It accounts for only 2.42% of the world's total area. The east to west extent of India is over 2,933 kilometers, and from north to south extent is 3,214 kilometers. Frontiers. India has both land and water frontiers. The land frontiers of the country is about 15,200 kilometers. Except in some places, India has natural frontiers almost all sides. The Himalayan ranges form a natural frontier in the north between India and China. The mainland of India has water frontier of about 6,100 kilometers. The total length of India's coastline, including the Andaman and Nicobar Islands as well as Lakshadweep Islands, is 7,516.5 kilometers. The Arabian Sea in the west, the Indian Ocean in the south, and the Bay of Bengal in the east form the water frontiers. They are also natural frontiers. Neighboring countries. India has 7 neighboring countries. Pakistan and Afghanistan are to the northwest. Nepal, Bhutan, and China are to the north, and Bangladesh and Myanmar are to the east. To the southeast is Sri Lanka, which is separated from the mainland of India by the Pak Strait and the Gulf of Mannar. Administrative division. India is a democratic republic. Keeping in view the primacy of regional languages and the administration, India is divided into 28 states and 9 union territories, which includes the National Capital Territory of Delhi. Telangana is a new state. Among the states, Rajasthan is the largest state and Goa is the smallest state.